Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can back up all your data on your Android phone to Google Drive. Alright guys, first of all, open your settings application on your Android phone, and after you have your settings application opened, you can scroll down your screen until you find the account and backup setting. This one, tap on account and backup setting, and after that, this one to back up our data to Google Drive. We can tap on backup data to Google Drive right here, and wait guys. Okay, and you can select the backup account right here. You can choose the account you would like to back up your data to, and this is the backup details. So we're going to back up apps, photos and videos, a message, call history, device setting, and Google account data. And after that, we just need to click on backup now, and your data will be backed up to your Google Drive account. And alright guys, that's how we can back up our data on Android phone to Google Drive. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.